Hello, Cryptozilla with Polkadot News here. Today about Astar's partnership with Japan's leading snack food maker Calbee, and also two of RMRK's NFTs Legos have become official ERC standards. Astar has announced another partnership that will pave the way for mass adoption of Astar in Japan. Astar teamed up with Calbee, one of Japan's largest chips and snacks makers. Snack Giant Calbee partnered with Astar to launch evolving potato NFTs deployed on Astar network as a part of their new promotional campaign called NFT Chips. Apparently, Calbee's products are being sold in thousands of retail stores across Japan, and most Japanese shoppers are familiar with Calbee snacks. So thanks to these potato NFTs, potentially millions of Japanese consumers will interact with Astar network even without knowing they are using blockchain. The essence of this NFT Chips campaign is quite simple, as it should be, since it targets normies. Consumers who buy selected Calbee's snacks will be able to claim a free potato NFT deployed on Astar network. To claim this potato NFT, consumers will first have to fold their snack package in sort of origami way, and then they'll have to scan their origami with Calbee's Web3 mobile app. What a cool idea, right? And very Japanese. And what's more, after the initial NFT claim, each time an NFT holder registers a new origami after eating a new bag of potato chips, their potato NFT will evolve and grow. So this NFT campaign will hopefully not only drive consumption of potato chips in Japan, but most importantly it should drive adoption of Astar in Japan. And after registering 5 of these origamis, potato NFTs will transform one last time into one character from the virtual world called Jagaverse. Not really sure what Jagaverse is, but evolving potato NFT sounds awesome. I only wish Astar partnered also with the biggest Czech potato chips maker, because evolving potato NFT is awfully missing in my diverse.sama NFTs collection. Anyways, the campaign will run until the end of May, and all fully evolved potato NFTs will yield to their owners access to some new, unspecified digital experience in future. Here is the quote from Sota Watanabe: "Calbee's chips are probably the most consumed chips in Japan. Through this campaign, I would like to make the future where Japanese people are using Astar network without knowing what blockchain is." This quote by Sota Watanabe made me think once again about how mass adoption of blockchain tech, and specifically of Polkadot ecosystem, can be achieved. I agree that getting people to use blockchain without even knowing what seed phrase or crypto wallet is might very well be necessary to achieve mass adoption. Simply, all dApps, NFT marketplaces and crypto wallets need to be highly intuitive and reach Web2 user friendliness level. And it's also a pretty smart move that there is this evolving NFT aspect included, as people will see NFTs are not just static, useless JPEGs, but that NFTs on Astar network can evolve based on the interaction from real world, and that they bring owners a real utility and value. So while as a kid I was collecting stickers and plastic figures from bags of chips, nowadays potato chips lovers will collect NFTs. The times they are changing. And speaking of evolvable NFTs, who else is the greatest expert on said topic than RMRK team? Hot news were announced on Saturday. 2 RMRK's NFT Legos, specifically multiple outputs feature as well as nestable NFTs feature, have become official ERC standards. So ERC 5773 standard allows for a RMRK's NFT to vary its output depending on the context it's being loaded in. So this means one NFT can have multiple different outputs, aka assets, meaning one NFT can be represented by different outputs, such as an image on NFT marketplace or in a virtual gallery, or an audio file on a streaming platform, or as a PDF file on a PDF reader. So this will still be the same NFT, but the NFT will have different outputs, aka assets, depending on the platform and app into which the NFT is loaded into. And as mentioned here, this multiple outputs feature, now known as ERC 5773 standard, will allow for cross-game skins, since each metaverse or game might be compatible with a different output of that particular NFT. The second standard is ERC 6059 that enables for Remark's NFTs to contain other NFTs, hence that famous nestable NFTs feature. So this official designation of Remark's NFT Legos as ERC standards is what can finally kick off a mass adoption of Remark 2.0 NFTs on all EVM chains. And according to this Remark report from December, the third Remark's Lego equipability should be merged probably by the end of Q2, so sooner or later it will be also confirmed and made into a new ERC standard ready to be used by all projects building on EVM. Both ERC standards will be first tested on EVM version of Singular NFT Marketplace that will be launched on Moonbeam network very soon. Singular EVM is a new version of Remark's flagship NFT marketplace. It was built to be run by the Ethereum virtual machine, meaning Singular EVM will be compatible with all EVM-based chains, including Moonbeam. And also Bruno carefully exclaimed his excitement over Remark's ERC standards, so if you have been a long-term Remark supporter and are still sticking around, hold tight because the storm called the most advanced NFTs in the world is finally coming. Thanks for watching and liking, and till next time!